You want big change? Then it's essential you start small. Ladies, it's the only thing we want small. This is one of the ways that I changed my life from IKEA checkout till girl to psychotherapist. I didn't think about the big picture. I knew I wanted to be a psychologist, but I left school with no qualifications. I had nothing but some advice, don't come back. But one of the things I did is I began to start small. And I don't often talk about my journey of transition. And I think I'm been missing the point, how I changed my life. And starting small is one of the ways that I've done that. And this is why I'm so proud to present to you a tool to assist you. So small victories, we all live busy lives and the day can be snatched away. We know phones are robbing us of our attention. But this 5-minute journal is a space to give yourself just 5 minutes in the morning and a few moments in the evening to consolidate your day. So we start with a quote of the day because we all need a quote. Sometimes, a quote can just hit you and inspire you and lift you. And then we move on to being in the moment to consider what we are grateful for in the here and now. Then we set ourselves 3 tasks. 3 is such an important number for human beings. Anything more, we get overwhelmed. 3 tasks, 3 things that you want to achieve. This is essential for growth because you start to seed sow. Then you're going to make a positive affirmation, an encouraging statement about yourself. Because failure is a part of success. One of my favorites is there is no failure, only feedback. I failed a whole great deal. And that statement has always lifted me and encouraged me. And that's all you do. You just do these 3 tasks. And in the evening, you make space to think about the highlights of your day and today's life lessons. Because trust me, life is always sending us lessons. Your space just for you to take back, especially for my people pleasers and empaths. Get your copy from my website, keyforchange.com, or you can find your girl on Amazon. Do take care of you, because if you don't, who will?